Principles and strategies of teaching. A. Basic concepts. Strategy of teaching refers to the science of developing a plan to attain goal and to guard against undesirable results. It means the art of using psychological plan in order to increase the probabilities and favorable consequences of success and to lessen the chances of failure. Method of teaching refers to the series of related and progressive acts performed by a sequence of steps to achieve a given goal or objective. Technique of teaching refers to the personalized style of carrying out a particular step of a given method. It is a skill employed by the teacher in carrying out the procedures or act of teaching. Device is a teaching aid or tool to facilitate instructions, like picture, flashcards, etc. Variable that affect teaching method. Objectives. Nature of students. Nature of subject matter. The teacher. Technology. School environment. Teacher's knowledge of group dynamics. Learning objectives. Their importance in construction. Learning objective is a statement of what students will be able to do when they have completed instruction. Three major components are descriptions of what the student will be able to do, the conditions under which the student will perform the task, and the criteria for evaluating student performance. Difference between goal and learning objectives. Goal is a statement of the intended general outcome of an instructional unit or program. It describes a more global learning outcome. Learning objective is a statement of one of several specific performances, the achievement of which contributes to the attainment of the goal. A statement describing a competency of performance capability to be acquired by the learner. Importance of learning objectives. Selection of the content. Development of an instructional strategy. Development and selection of instructional materials. Construction of tests and other instruments for assessing and then evaluating student learning outcomes. To write a learning objectives, you need to focus on student performance, not teacher performance. Focus on product, not process. Focus on terminal behavior, not subject matter. Include only general learning outcome in each objective. 3 characteristics of objectives. Behavior. Objectives must describe the competency to be learned in performance terms. The choice of verb is all important here. Such terms as know, understand, grasp, and appreciate do not meet his requirement. Verb used in stating objective identifies an observable student behavior. The type of level of learning must be identified. Criterion. An objective should make clear how well learner must perform to be judged adequate. Can be done with a statement indicating a degree of accuracy, a quantity or proportion of correct responses or the like. Conditions. An objective should describe the conditions under which the learner will be expected to perform in the evaluation situation. The tools, references, or other aids thus will be provided or denied should be made clear. Example of a completed learning objective. Objective. Given a set of data, the student will able to compute the standard deviation. Condition. Given a set of data. Behavior. The student will be able to compute the standard deviation. Criterion. Implied. The number computed will be correct.